Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our ninth video of HTML, and in this video we are going to talk about the lists in HTML. As in previous video we talked about the ordered lists. Today we are going to talk about the unordered lists. So let's get started. So an ordered list can be created with the UL tag, and each list item can be created with the LI tag. As I told you in the previous video that we can create an ordered list with the OL tag. So in here you can create an unordered list by using UL tag. Simply like this, you have to start the UL tag, and if you want to create the list items, you can do it using LI tag like this. And this is the closing tag of UL. I'll simply show it to you in this code editor. If I wanted to make an unordered list, I can make it using UL tag. And if I want to make list items, I can do it simply by using LI. And here I just write my name. And after that, I'll just write down some other names as well. And here I'll just write down other names as well. So you can simply create an unordered list simply like this. After refreshing my web page, you can see I have got an unordered list here. As I told you guys before in the previous video that an unordered list will carry bullets, and if you are making an ordered list, so it will have numbers or ABC, or it will have the Roman numbers. So if you want to make an unordered list, you can make it simply like this. And the second thing that I've got here is how can we make a nested list. So you can nest a list to represent sub items of a list. For example, I've got a sub item in this LI. So I can simply make another UL tag in here. And under this LI tag, you can make another UL tag and your own LI tags like this. This is the easiest way of making a nested list. For example, I want to nest this one, the first item that I've got here. So I have to make another UL, another LI in here. Now I want to write down, for example, Munib Haksar. After this, I'll just write down here Mujib, and here I'll just write down Maher. After writing this, I'll save my code editor and reload my web page. Look at here, you have got the sub items in this under this LI. So you can simply make the sub items using this simple trick. So this was all about the nested list, and it was all about the unordered lists in HTML. I'll see you very soon in the next video.